Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of how to install and set up your app, Zen Kit Action Automation for Workflow. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, head over to the search tab and click on the app. Click on Install to choose an account you want to install. Then you click on Continue, head over to Allow and Install and click on it. A custom menu link page is going to pop up. Copy the custom menu link, switch back to the account, head over to Settings, search for custom menu links and click on Create New. Then you give an icon, you give a title, and you paste the custom menu link here. Then you choose a sidebar preference and you give an account. Then you choose a role-based visibility and you click on Save. Once you're done with the custom menu link, switch back to the account, search for the custom menu link and you click on it. You're going to see this interface with so many apps and you search for the app we just installed and you click on Manage to connect your app. We have this second interface with all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is right in here. We have the tutorial video that's going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up. No worries, let's walk you through how to set up your app. Copy the redirect URL and we head to the account which we've created online. Click on your profile, then click on your login and head over to integrations. Then you click on the developer portal, click on add new app, you give a name and you paste the redirect URL right here and click on create. Click on OK. Then copy your client ID, head to the account, click on start setup, paste. You copy the secret key, click on done. Head back to the account and paste. Then click on complete setup and click on authorize and your app will be successfully configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call for the team. And this last feature, which is all about the updates and improvements made on the app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification, insert your email and you click on subscribe. You've learned how to install and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.